Worried about downloading shady apps? Want your Samsung to scan every app before it causes trouble? Let's turn on auto scan when installing apps to keep your Galaxy S25 Ultra protected right from the start. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy, then tap app security. Tap app protection. Tap the three dots in the top corner, and then tap app protection setting. First, you have to turn on app protection setting using the switch, and then turn on auto scan when installing apps. A pop-up appears to inform you about this feature. You can tap turn on to continue enabling this feature. And that's it. Now, every time you install a new app, whether from the Play Store or a third-party source, Samsung will automatically scan it for threats. Given to the function, this feature is like a security guard for your phone. It checks every app at the door before it can sneak in anything harmful. Turn it on once and your phone stays protected with zero effort. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.